Hey guys, it's James here. So basically, I just wanted to do just a video. I haven't uploaded much. And I also wanted to apologize for the snow base jump. I mean, I'm not apologizing for the video itself. I'm apologizing for part 2 because I'm saying there's gonna be part 2. No. And also Brian saying it's our channel. No, what the heck's wrong with me? But no, it's just my channel. Only my channel, not sharing with anyone. It'll be in some of my videos, but hopefully, what the hell? Sorry, I don't know what the heck that was. And of course, I died again. Sorry. I'm gonna actually start playing here. Not too bad at this game, but yeah, I just needed some gameplay to bring to you guys. Yeah, that's basically it. Well, I've basically just been trying to upload every once in a while. And of course, not always I can, but I'll forever try. I was trying to do a Roblox video for you guys, but that didn't really work out. No, what the hell? I might have to turn that off. That keeps happening. You see, like, it's sometimes useful, but, like, see right there, I wanted it to happen. But, I don't know. The lag killed me. How much was that usually like? Only like 8,000 or something right now. I'm sorry, I'm so bad. Today, I'm pretty much always bad. Oh, I only have 30 coins. Oh. Just how much like in this game. See? Whoa. Crab restaurant right there. See that? Yeah. Like, my goal, all-time goal is, like, forever. I'd be satisfied with just 100 subs. Quite happy with that. And after 100, I'm happy, but, I'm just probably never gonna happen. It takes so long to be discovered. And we're probably just not gonna happen. Whenever that happened. Yeah, well, guys, I'm sorry for making you watch this crap. So horrible at everything in life. But, do what I can, so, bye.